this episode, we will wild forage Norwegian Pacific oysters and craft a sushi symphony. While France and Japan dominate oyster fame, Norway's Pacific oysters remain a well-kept secret among chefs and seafood connoisseurs. Art culinaires, the food stories, new episodes every week. Subscribe to watch new episode releases. Pacific oysters, currently living in the wild in Norway, have likely originated from domestic cultivation and through ocean currents. Episode 5. Foraging, the purest taste of the ocean, and crafting a sushi symphony. Norwegian Pacific oysters are a gourmet treasure, perfect for raw bars, seafood lovers, and chefs who prize pure oceanic flavor. Norway's cold, clean waters are home to wild oysters, a prized, sustainable delicacy with the unique taste of the Arctic Sea. Norway's wild oysters thrive on stone surfaces, a key factor that shapes their unique character. Norway's cold, clean waters are home to wild oysters, a prized, sustainable delicacy with the unique taste of the Arctic Sea. Pacific, tuna and Norwegian salmon, the world's most popular sushi seafood. These two superstar ingredients dominate global sushi bars. Fresh, raw oysters are considered one of the world's finest culinary treasures, celebrated for their unique taste, texture, and cultural prestige. Like wine, oysters reflect their environment. Their flavor changes based on water, salinity, minerals, and diet. Pacific tuna and Norwegian salmon, nigri with passion fruit, fusion, kabayaki. A symphony of the seas, Pacific tuna, Norwegian salmon, and Norwegian Pacific oyster, a trio of ocean symphony of perfection. The tuna's rich depth, the salmon's buttery elegance, and the oyster's crisp brininess compose nature's finest seafood symphony. Each brings the pure essence of their waters to your plate, offering an unforgettable taste of the sea's luxury. The tuna arrives with its deep, meaty richness, a bold bass note of the sea. Norwegian salmon follows with its velvety marbled texture, singing a melody of cool Nordic waters. Finally, the oyster, nature's champagne, bursts with a crisp mineral freshness that lingers like the tide's whisper.